We made it!
Back home, baby.
Back home?
Super excited.
Were you surprised?
I knew it all.
So alive.
I did.
Okay, man.
Yeah, so we're on our way to get our bags right now. Thank you. You can show them your new car.
Yeah. So the main reason we came to Hawaii is because we're gonna pick up my brand new car. Is this thing right here. Yeah, Dad? Now my dad just picked this car up. It's a 92 Honda Activan and it's so cool. I really want one of these.
Yeah, look at this thing.
Yeah, look how tiny it is.
Cherry.
You ready? This is so cool. Let's go right now.
Look at this little minivan, this K-van.
It's so cool.
Oh, look at the top.
So how do you feel?
I want one of these. What do you think?
Yeah, this thing is cool, man.
Look at this, it has little pineapple.
This would be so cool. Oh my gosh, look at how tiny the pedals are. How long did it take to warm up? I can hear it. Oh my gosh.
Is it going to be different since it's right-hand drive?
Oh, I wonder. This is so cool.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I'm sold. Look at how cool this is. That's so cool. Oh, that's so cool.
And the second mode, the second choice,
Which one you want? Chicken dura puriyakaki salmon.
spicy and burikaki.
Yes, please.
So good. Look at this truck right here. Wow, look this truck right here. Even this one. Everybody has nice trucks around here.
I thought you're supposed to
Here.
cool down. I just...
It's gonna be sunny, you need this.
So you're gonna have to...
You need it. You gotta put that on.
I forgot about... Oh man!
Here.
I forgot! No,
Oh,
I
there
don't
you
want to fix this.
Okay, perfect.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
White chocolate smoothie coffee.
So we're starting the day off at Green World Coffee Farms. This is delicious. They got their little walk-through coffee farm relaxation area. I'm about to say so long to my grandma. I wasn't here when they put her to rest, so I'm gonna go ahead and send out my love right now. I'm at the beach where they laid her ashes out, so I'm here.
Times are late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray, take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play one day.
Sick. Thank you very much. So we're here cruising in Haleiwa. We went to the Matsumorche Vice. Check it out, guys. Coconut
Coconut vanilla with snow.
snow cap.
We don't lose, we all lose, but they'll feed on the souls of the innocent, blood-drenched pavement. Keep on moving, though the water's still raging. And in this place, you may lose the way, your way. Might drive you crazy, but don't let it slip you away. No way. Sometimes in my tears I drown. But I never let it get me down.
Different.
$1 too? Usually it's...
Uh-oh.
Can I get 6 snow cookies?
Is that it right there? Got it. Cherry. Yeah, we don't got this back home. Yeah. Chicken sauce.
And 11. Thank you.
Having beach. Not having beach.
Having beach?
We're having lunch at the beach. Palag pie, fried chicken, snow puffies. Wow. Okay guys, so now that we have a little moment of rest, I'm gonna show you guys exactly where we are, but just to touch up on the situation. So Christine actually surprised me for my birthday, so we are back home in Hawaii and we're having a blast. It always feels really good to be back home, as you all know if you've gone away from home. So we have done quite a lot of things if you guys have seen this past few clips. And we've only been here for barely 2 days. So we have a lot more planned, a lot more things to go and do, so hopefully you guys stick around. We're gonna go to the beach right now, so we'll catch you guys later. Yeah, so this is our little cottage that we're staying in. I'll give you guys a little tour later, but the beach is literally right here. Literally right here, huh? I don't know if you guys can hear me, it's pretty windy out here, but we found this little spot right here for Kaylee to go swimming, so I'm gonna take Kaylee swimming for a little bit and enjoy this beach, man. No better place than home. So windy.